What's going on, guys? Marcus Czar here, and we're on my Twitter page. So I got a new Twitter called Trading Trader Czar. Go to @Trader Czar. I'm trying to get more active on my Twitter. I'm usually on Instagram or Facebook. Not even Facebook. I'm just more on Instagram, and now I'm trying to get more active on Twitter. So definitely check out my Twitter. As you guys can see, the Bitcoin halving is in May 2020. Is that the reason that possibly got the price of Bitcoin moving up in pretty much in the uptrend? I believe so. A lot of people in the space know what the Bitcoin halving is. There's prediction that we're going to see more all-time highs with Bitcoin in the future, probably in the next year or 2 years. Definitely keep my eyes on that. But yeah, but let's look at the coin at the charts here, or not charts, but at coinmarketcap.com. I wanted to show you guys something. Look at that market cap, man. That market cap is at $162.8 billion. We haven't seen this market cap reach that high. So pretty much we broke our resistance for our total market cap for crypto, right? Pretty much been in the, I want to say, about 130 billion, 140 billion-dollar range or lower for quite some time. But definitely this is a new number that came to my attention immediately because I'm always on this website. So definitely got a lot more people coming into crypto right now. So people must smell the bull run coming. Some people saying the bear market's pretty much over with, but who knows? But definitely things are looking good across the board. That volume is up, 24-hour volume is up at $60.3 billion, and BTC dominance at 51.3%. So as you guys can see, everything's pretty much in the green, right? All the way down from the top 10 all the way down to the top 20. Tezos is the only one that's down. Everything up is pretty much just in the green. So definitely it was exciting last night. So I stayed up all last night, pretty much just watching the markets, right? Because I was seeing Bitcoin move, like literally Bitcoin throughout the day. Bitcoin's at 4,100 something dollars, and then about my time, I'm Pacific time, about like 11, 12, I really start to see the price of Bitcoin just move up. And then next I'm trying to log into my Binance account, but Binance was just moving so slow, like literally, like just to load up the page on Binance or just to log in, it was just moving so slow because there was a lot of people on Binance just trying to trade, right? Either trying to get on the action or trying to sell their holdings or trying to get on some of these altcoins, which I'm going to talk about in a second here. But look at this candlestick here for Bitcoin. So starting this day here, which is April 1st, today is April 2nd now. So Monday, hopefully this wasn't an April Fool's joke, but starting here, April, right? Bitcoin was at about $4,113. Pull out this ruler here. And from here, pretty much throughout the day, Bitcoin just really started to climb up, and just at one point in time today, looks like about 2:30, so 22:30, so UTC's time. So that's about my time. I want to say about 11 o'clock, about 11, 10 o'clock, around that range, my time. Somebody came in and bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin. They probably thought it was cheap, and then it just created this FOMO. A lot of people wanting to get in and pretty much ride this train, as you guys can see here, all the way up to pretty much $5,000. So that was about 23.48% gain for Bitcoin throughout the day. But definitely, that was definitely exciting. Got a lot of people talking about crypto again. Definitely got a lot more people paying attention about what the next price is going to be. A lot of speculators out there, which is nothing wrong with speculating. A lot of people don't know that. Speculators actually bring a lot of liquidity to the markets. And yeah, so definitely was watching Bitcoin, but I was really getting into these altcoins. I did a trade with Cardano earlier throughout the day. I should have held it, but like I said, I didn't know we were gonna see this breakout. So Cardano actually got hit its highs of about 8 cents today. So as you can see here, it was playing in the 7 cents range here, and throughout the last 24 hours, it was managed to break its highs and hit about 8 cents, a price we haven't seen in a while with Cardano. And that was when saying that's about 16.76% gain here on the charts from its low to its high. Definitely Binance is not going to reflect that, so it's basically going off the current price move of the change, and it's currently down at 3.99% with actually 14.05% with USD Tether here. So watching Cardano, I was able to sell, so I didn't get my gains on that. But like I said, you can't predict everything. So another one was Tron. I played Tron market just a little bit with Tron. Tron was up about 9 cents, and I was able to sell out and get some profits. And I only got about 2% gain, but hey, still positive gains on Tron. Chainlink definitely had a good breakout today, and just pretty much all these altcoins, EOS, Litecoin, Monero, Ethereum, Neo, all these altcoins, Ripple, Zcash, Nulls, all these altcoins was just, going through the roofs when Bitcoin's going up. So everybody's buying Bitcoin, everybody's buying altcoins. So a lot of excitement last night. I stayed up. I don't know if I told you guys, I stayed up till about 3 o'clock in the morning just to watch these markets and, studying and trying to see what do I see as far as like, can I make a trade or not? So definitely exciting. Is 5,000 Bitcoin upon us, or can it hit it again? Definitely, we've seen it on the charts, but it didn't hold up at that price. Definitely broke back down. A lot of people who got in here was definitely selling up when it hit 5,000, taking profits. So definitely excited to see what's going to happen next with Bitcoin, right? Not just Bitcoin, but altcoins as well. Let me know what you guys think below with the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that's pretty much it, guys. And follow on Twitter as well. So I'm trying to get that jumping off as well. So that's it. Mark Zar.